Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to submit your podcast on Spotify, or how to publish your podcast, or how to create a podcast on Spotify. All right, it's very easy. Now if you look right here on my screen, I have this podcast published already on Spotify. So here's it right here, and doing this is very easy. All you have to do is to set up a Spotify for podcast account, and then you're on your way to publishing your own podcast on Spotify. It's very easy. So I have a video already on how you can set up a Spotify for podcasters account. Right, so you need to learn how to do that first of all. Now once you are able to learn how to do that, then you can be able to now create your first podcast or publish your first podcast on Spotify. All right, so that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. But make sure you go and learn how to set up a Spotify for podcasters account. All right, I'll put a link to the video at the top of this one, or you can find the video at the end screen of this video. All right, so let's get started. Now the first thing you have to do is to go to you need to go to let's start all over. So you need to go to this web address, podcasters.spotify.com. so go to that website, and then once you are on this website, like I said, you need to first of all set up an account. I have an account set up already. All right, I'm not going to show you how you can set up an account because I have a video already on how you can do that, so go and watch that video on my channel. All right, okay, so once you are done watching that, then now it will be easy for you. Once you log into your account, then you'll be able to find this option right here, new episode. Tap on the new episode option, and you get two options: create an episode. This one is for audio, while this other one I think is for it supports video. All right, so I'm going to click the first one because I want to upload just an audio. All right, so the next thing you have to do right here is to click on this record right here, click on that, and now you can now set you can choose to use an external microphone, or you can use your system's microphone. So click on the drop down button if you have an external microphone connected. I have an external microphone connected, so I can choose to use this one, or I can just use the system's microphone, which is this first one. Which is this one right here. All right, so what do I have to do next? I have to click on this record now. Click on record now. Hello, this is my first podcast. Once you're done, click on stop recording, and you find your recorded audio right here. So these ones are the ones I recorded before, these two. All right, so they're the ones I recorded before. So it's processing our audio for us. As you can see, it says processing, so it takes a few minutes to process, so let's wait for it. Right, so now it has finished processing. So what else do we have to do? Now you can see this plus sign right here. It says add to episode. This one right here, it says add background music. So if you want to add background music to your recorded audio, click on this one. And this other one here, it says let's click on it. It says download audio file. If you want to download your audio file, or if you want to delete it, you click on this one. All right, so what we want to do now is click on this one that says add to episode. So tap on it, and now you see it's added right here. So you can still add more you can still record more audio and add to this place right here. So you have it's an episode thing, so you need to record and make them appear right here. but I'm going to go with this only just one. So I'm going to click on this save episode right here, click on that. And now the next step is to add our episode title. We need to add our episode title. So what is going to be title of this episode? I'm going to say oh man, which title am I going to give it? Let's say talk like a man, right? Something like this, talk like a man. All right, so the description is next thing. So what am I going to add there? Say learn how to talk like a man. So I'm just trying to keep it simple so that we can forge ahead. Now what's the next thing? So you can now choose your publish date. Do you want to publish it right away, or you want to schedule it to some other date? Right, so I'm going to publish it right away. So I'm going to set it to be today's date, right? And then I'll click on confirm. So what else? I'm going to scroll down. Here it says engage your listeners directly from your episode with a poll. So if you want to add a poll, you know, a poll has to do with question kind of thing. So you can just click on the add a poll button to add that one. Right, so this one is a question and answer. What do you think about this episode? You can edit a question you want to ask your followers on Spotify. Right, so what else? So which season is this? I can just say season 1, and the episode number is episode 1. All right, is this the episode type? Is it a full audio clip, or is it a trailer or bonus? Right, so you have to select the one it is. And this one is content. Does it contain explicit or it's clean? If clean, just select clean. And then this one, it says upload new episode art. So you need to choose an episode art. All right, so I'm going to click on upload new episode art so that we can upload an episode art. All right, you can choose to upload from your device if you have an already designed art cover, so choose it from your device. All right, so I'm going to leave this one right here, just like this. And what else? We are going to scroll all the way up, and then you find this option to publish now. Tap on it, and here it says you're all set. Time to grow your audience. All right, we are all set. Now how can we know if our right, yes, it's right here. So how can we see our episodes, our uploaded episodes? Is by clicking on this episode right here. But just before we dive into that one, now you can see right here it says total number of plays. So whenever someone plays your podcast on Spotify, you see the plays right here. It's displayed, this plays count display right here. Right, so let me click on episode. So this is where you can see all the published podcast you have, and you can see the format is audio, the length right here, the plays, the ads displayed on your podcast is going to show right here, the number of times it displayed. All right, so this is it. All right, so in my next video, guys, I'm going to show you how to monetize your podcast so that you can make some money from it. You love money, right? Right, so you can earn something from your podcast. All right, that's how to compensate yourself. So guys, this is how you can actually submit or create or publish your podcast on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful to you and you're now able to publish your podcast on Spotify. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. All right, so just before I go, I would like you to still remember that you need to set up your Spotify for Podcasters account correctly before you can be able to publish your podcast on Spotify. So you need to watch my other video on how you can do that. I'll add the video at the end of this very video, or you can find the link to this video at the top of this of your screen. Right, just tap on it, you'll find the link to the video. And also I'll add a link to the video in the description of this one so that you can be able to find it. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.